So, hello everyone, my name is Keshav and you're watching TechEd. Today I am going to talk about 10 such data science courses which will help you to become an awesome data scientist. So, the first course in our list is Applied Data Science with Python Specialization. This is a specialization by University of Michigan, and you will gain insights into your data, and you will learn to apply data science method and techniques and acquire analysis skills. So already 342k students are already enrolled, and this is an approximately 5 month course, and this is not free definitely, but you can audit this, so you can try it for free, or you can also take financial aid. So you will learn text mining, Python programming, pandas, matplotlib, then numpy, data cleansing, data virtualization, visualization, machine learning, skitlearn, and these all kind of things you can learn. You can check it out. I have provided the link of all the 10 courses to make you an awesome data scientist in description, so you can check all the courses list out and try it, whatever the course you like. So you will get a hands-on project, and you will also earn a certificate over here. So this is 100% online. Now talking about the second courses, this is completely free course by Khan Academy. You will not get a certificate, but they will provide you that kind of knowledge, that top-notch knowledge you're required to understand this statistics, the average. So you will get an overview of statistics, and you will understand what kind of things are what kind of things can connect the dot while understanding statistics. And this playlist contains 67 videos, so you can check this out. One of the most recommended course playlist which people tell to be a data scientist. This third one is mathematics for machine learning. As data science is more about mathematics, so mathematics for machine learning is also a course over here. For linear algebra, you can take this course for free. You can audit this from Coursera, and this is taught by Empirical College London. So this is a beginner friendly course of 19 hours. You will learn basic linear algebra, transformation matrix, linear algebra, and eigenvectors, eigenvalues. So this is also a course for those first year students who are understanding mathematics, applied mathematics. Then this fourth one is mathematics for machine learning, multivariate calculus. So multivariate calculus is one of the course, another course by Empirical College London. So, and this also contain a financial aid, and this is the second course of three courses of mathematics for machine learning specialization, and it is approximately 18-hour course. So let me show you this complete specialization, so that you will see that this is the specialization of mathematics machine learning. So if you try this out, this is the whole specialization, and financial aid is also available. It approximately takes 4 months to complete, and it is beginner friendly. So you will understand eigenvectors, eigenvalue, then principal component analysis, linear algebra, calculus, matrix, regression, vector calculus, gradient descendants. These all kind of things which are very important in understanding the mathematics of machine learning. Then talking about this one, this is another course of machine learning in Coursera, and this is by Andrew Ng, most famous or the top creator in Coursera. So his specialization course is also free of cost, so you can check this out. This is the first course of three courses in machine learning specialization, and this is a beginner friendly course. It approximately takes 33 hours of completion, and you will understand gradient descendant, supervised learning. I know these kind of things are boring, but if you try to understand the implementation and things like that, you will find out machine learning one of the a beautiful thing over here. So this is again by Andrew Ng, and so many people are already enrolled in this deep learning specialization offered by deeplearning.ai, and this is intermediate level of course. So I will suggest you to first complete machine learning, then come to over here, so you will understand CNN, TensorFlow, RNN, transformer, deep learning. Then these all kind of skills you will gain. Okay, so ANN and CNN also. It approximately takes 5 months to complete, because this is a specialization course. Again, it contains lot of courses. Let me see how many courses are there. So the first course is about neural networks and deep learning. Second is about improving deep neural networks. Then third is about structuring machine learning project. Then fourth, uh, there are four courses. This is the fifth one. So all in all, there are 5 courses in this specialization of deep learning. So if you complete all of this, you will become a deep learning specialist in terms of the certification they provide. Okay, so that was about deep learning and machine learning by Andrew Ng. This another course is TensorFlow in practice. So this is again by deeplearning.ai, but this is by Lawrence Morne, and again a beautiful course of 150K students have already enrolled, and this is a intermediate. Approximately take 4 months to complete. You will understand computer vision, augmentation, forecasting, time series, machine learning, and kind of things. So you can check this out. You can check out the reviews, but I think this is in the list of uh, 10 most important courses to become an awesome data scientist. So this will definitely be a good one. So this is about TensorFlow, then convolutional neural networks in TensorFlow, then NLP in TensorFlow. These kind of things are related to TensorFlow. Then this one is also in demand of IBM by Rao Ahuja. This is also a famous course of 112K students already enrolled in this, and this is a data scientist professional certification. Uh, and financial aid is also available over here. So it approximately take 11 months. It means 1 year to complete, and suggested pace is 4 hours per week. So it's not compulsory to complete it in 11 months. You can complete it in 2-3 months also if you work harder, or either you can complete it in more than 1 year. It's on you. The level of your understanding depends a lot. So data mining methodology, RStudio, big data, these kind of things are skills you will learn through this certification by IBM. Then comes this Jew data science. So this is Jonas Hopkins course of data science specialization, and this is also a beginner friendly course and approximately take 11 hours. You will understand the things like regular expression, data cleansing, R programming, and things like that. So these are all the data science specialization courses. This is the last one called the AI for everyone. This is a beginner friendly course in again by Andrew Ng, deeplearning.ai. So you can take this course if you want to understand what the artificial intelligence does and what are the terminologies over there, like deep learning, machine learning, then AI strategies and data science projects workflows, and how AI can help us. And this is approximately 12 hour of course. And again this is a top instructor, Andrew Ng. So the workflow is like this is I have taken this course actually, so I can tell you about this, that this is more a theoretical course than of uh, calculus and values. So I suggest you to take machine learning first, then deep learning, then this is AI for everyone. You can even even check this course while you are doing other stuff, because this is more theoretical kind of course. So all these are 10 courses for scientist to become a data scientist, and I will provide the link in description. You can check it out, and hope you like this video. So make sure to subscribe this channel, and I will see you in another one. Bye.